Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, feel free to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to like this video, and if you find it helpful, share it with your friends, family, and loved ones. Thank you. Imagine this. You've just cooked a delicious meal, but now you're leaving the pot dirty. The buildup will make it harder to clean, right? Now think about your body. When was the last time you gave it a proper cleanse? Cleansing is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. Just like cleaning a pot prevents buildup and damage, regularly cleansing your body helps remove toxins, improve digestion, boost energy, and give you clearer skin. Most people benefit from cleansing 1 to 2 times a year, but if you're feeling sluggish, bloated, or off balance, you might need to cleanse more often. The key is to listen to your body. Eating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle naturally supports your body's detox process. So, when was the last time you cleansed your body? Like, subscribe, and follow for more health tips.